Alright guys, welcome back to We'll See Garage. We're in the same outfits, the same day, because we started this video right after the intercooler install.
We're working on the intake, right? So, step one, intake, yeah.
Throw that key, throw that key.
Yeah, we don't need this anyways. Here you go, buddy.
Alright, so that's one piece.
In two
That's
pieces.
2 pieces.
You're gonna scratch it, bro.
Wrinkles out. Yo, Chip! This is the intake.
No, that's the filter.
Filter, my bad.
Idiot.
This is the inlet pipe.
No, that's just an elbow.
The last piece is the hardware.
Yo, can we just admire how this is an Audi owner and he's wearing a BMW shirt?
Yo, peep that.
Hey,
Turn
it's
around.
because Adam LZ's
Turn around, bro.
merch,
Turn around, bro. Turn around, bro. Turn around, bro.
If
Turn around.
y'all want
Look
Audi,
at that.
Turn around, bro.
BMW.
BMW.
If y'all want Audi B7 merch, let us know. This could change to Audi real quick.
I'm just saying, you guys could do phone cases with the GT on it.
People know about the GT?
Actually not.
Now, despite the fact that we've taken off these intakes a lot of times in our ownerships, we're still gonna show you how to take it off.
Step one was what Adam did, was take off this. It's 2 screws usually, and then pull this out from there, and it pops out.
Albanian with it.
And then hit your local Albanian. Don't forget that step.
Second step is to unplug this.
What is that?
It's the MAF sensor.
Oh, it's the mass airflow sensor.
And then we get pliers and disconnect this.
What's that?
A
That
clamp.
looks like a
That
clamp.
Okay, what is that?
It's from the...
Is your intercooler
Intercooler.
actually connected?
Can I see?
This is from the crossover piping.
Oh, Bluetooth intercooler.
That's the headlight coolant right there.
Wow.
Ooh, I love those.
Classic. The comically large, we don't need those.
Pliers.
This is so
Good
excessive,
leverage.
but
It's good
it
leverage.
works.
Yeah, because
You can't even disconnect it.
that'll pop right off, just like that. This thing is normally attached to your box somewhere. Just pull it off. It's like a bunch of these little clips.
Oh, wow.
That's pretty simple.
It's actually attached right there and right there.
Right there and right there. Actually, no, it plugs in over here. Right here.
Wow.
Is it done yet?
If you guys can't tell, it's late. That's why everybody's acting like this.
No, this is just Jason. You pop this out, and that should free this up
What's that?
to pop this out.
It's a clip, bro. Relax. There's 2 clips on the bottom and there's one over here. Pull it up to get those 2 and then sideways to get this one out.
I'm not like Adam. We don't throw this because we gotta reuse this.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
1 hour.
I was saying that because we've done this so many times that it shouldn't take us more than an hour to install a new intake. So, we'll see if that's true.
We'll see.
We've got a time
Time's ticking.
Now, take off the lower one.
Another clamp y'all gotta get.
Someone pull it.
Pull it, yo, pull it. Yeah, Angel, 2 hands.
Interesting.
Yeah, Angel, yank it. Twist it.
Pull it.
Pop it.
Squeeze it. There we go.
Alright, you guys ready? You wanna see Jason?
Oh!
Destroys the intercooler we just put on.
So that's everything taken off. Now we gotta get the new parts.
Yeah, get it right in there. Up close and personal.
Some people want the details, bro.
Just get right
They're
up
like,
in
how
this
do I take that off?
And then you break this whole thing off.
It's
like
not
I did. I'm kidding.
Why don't you clean that? Yeah, and it's also got a secondary filter in
Can you
it.
stop touching it, getting your oils on it, bro?
Yo, you and Ben just love tasting Audis, bro.
That tastes like carbon.
Carbon fiber?
Okay.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber?
Valve in it.
Yes, I know.
There's a lot of oil buildup on that.
Wait till you watch the intercooler video.
That did not taste good.
You shouldn't have tried it. No one told you to.
Okay, so where does this go?
It was onto the turbo.
Right, onto the turbo.
Okay.
This guy's trying to make us fail, yo. Get him out of
Yo,
here.
chill. Yeah, we on a timer
Yeah, we
right
got an
now.
hour.
Fine.
An
Wait,
hour,
I need to
and
see
we're
this.
gonna keep the details so you
What do
guys
you
know
need
what
to
to do.
see?
Little pipe onto turbo.
Bigger than me.
Turbo right there.
Bro, you forgot the clamp.
You forgot your equivalent of a rubber.
Is it in yet? I would say so. I'm just making sure.
He doesn't know if it's in, bro.
I don't know. I'm used to using small things.
No,
Yes?
wrong way.
Jason, that's literally how
Oh.
it came out the box.
Then yeah, then you're right.
I'm like,
No,
guy's
you're
saying?
wrong.
You're
Hold on,
wrong.
I'm me, Jason. No, you're wrong, actually.
You're wrong. Speaking of blood, I get traumatized. Adam.
Oh, this is like trying to roll over.
Adam, harder.
There we go.
Yeah.
Keep it going.
Put it
bro.
in, bro.
Let's
Put it
go.
in. Come on, Adam.
Little more, little more.
There you go.
There we go.
Gosh.
Nice and fit. This into that, into...
Oh, break it.
Keeping everything loose like hockey.
No,
Yo, watch out for that VVP solenoid, Adam.
Yeah, don't break that again. Maybe we should hose clamp that, no?
Yeah.
Is it in all the way?
So I'm trying to put this heat shield in. I just don't know where it exactly goes or what it holds on to. Okay, yeah, but
Does
this
anybody
fold
know?
the same spot that it went into the stock.
Oh,
It's okay. NMP only knows how to work on Quattro systems.
True. How you feel about that, Aki?
I don't even hear what he said.
You've got a Quattro certified technician, not a
front wheel drive certified technician.
Yeah.
That's gonna be.
So I think the heat shield is supposed to go like this. We'll mount this back up afterwards, but I just want to make sure this is in, or like I know where it belongs.
I'm trying to figure out these bolts. I'm not gonna lie.
We'll be back when we have a sense of what we're doing.
Allegedly, indeed. Yo, Aki.
They're all out.
Do we not have like a ratchet, Vinny?
That was a great day.
The MAV is completely tightened to the aluminum body.
Before
This
you
could
attempt
take
to install
over
the
an
heat
hour.
shield, I know we already went ahead and did this and screwed this in. You need to also take these 3 things and screw it onto the bottom. So it's going to be, it's like a beauty bolt, let's call it, right? And then a washer, and then you are going to need a nut. So how this is going to go is you're going to take it from the bottom. So in regards to how this goes, is the bottom. You can take this beauty bolt, as he would call it. You're going to put it in.
So you've got a nut, this bolt.
Theoretically, how this goes in, so you take this, and it just snaps right onto
Isn't it?
There you go.
Now you're gonna do the same thing for that other one.
Hold it.
It's 11. I'm tired.
Huge ratchet and huge pliers is the most expensive thing.
Overqualified.
Use the biggest tools possible for the smallest part of this job.
Cancelled.
This guy.
No, you did not.
No, you did not.
No, you did not.
No, you did not.
Good job, Jason.
It didn't feel tight.
Yeah, I wonder why.
Do we have another one?
No.
Always your car. Something breaks.
All right, with what is supposed to be 2 but are only 1.
I'm going to
Did you
place
catch that one?
this in.
Yeah, it's
That's it. All right, our 1.
Should have been 2.
You know what? It's pretty solid for only being 1, so I think it's gonna be alright.
No,
Nah, honestly, I thought it would like
Wait,
rattle
why is
up
there
and
only- why
down,
is there
but
only one
because the
other clip?
turbo, it's good.
Why is there only one clip?
Oh my God, where's the other one?
Where's the other
Where's the
clip?
clamp?
Where's the other clamp?
Clamp, clamp,
Clamp, clamp, clamp.
clamp.
Now, for the 50th time today, we're going to put it in. Actually, this is probably gonna be like an 8.
No, I think it's a 10. Okay, so we made a revelation. Again, there's 2 different size clamps. The one that says 70 to 90 goes on top. The other one, I didn't see what size it was, goes on the bottom.
60 to 80.
60 to 80.
60 to 80 goes on the bottom, 70, 90 goes on top. Kid's been ratcheting so hard, his head.
It's just hot in this garage, man.
Yeah, whose fault is that? Who didn't get the fan, huh?
Who's like, oh, MP, get here now.
Jason insisted that we tell you guys that our hour mark has passed, and we are officially not certified B7A4 technicians. So,
Guess we gotta move to something else, guys. Let us know in the comments.
why?
what's our next platform? Tell me.
No. You know why?
Why?
'Cause I've been supervising this entire time.
No, that just proves that he's not certified for his job and he can't supervise.
Hey, yo, I keep
Adam broke this bottom clamp, so we had to use ones from the intercooler. So it's all tight now. What's next?
You put these inserts in because there's no threads over here for this, and then it slides into here like that.
We will be back with you after some technical difficulty.
This part slides in between these 2, and that goes over there. We were struggling with it because we were putting it behind, forward, so.
Adam found the instructions online, which we should have had this whole time, where this goes in back of that. So these line up and this lines up. This don't really line up, but as long as that's tight.
We're putting this bolt in just to hold everything in.
It is day 2. Still working on this car, doing a simple job, but of course nothing's ever simple with this car.
Put the silicone from the turbo to the mat. We got this roughly in place, but we got frustrated because it was late and we already did the intercooler. Now we're gonna try to figure out how to line these with these to get the filter in and it not rattle.
Adam's gonna push a lot of things to make these holes line up while Aki puts the stuff in.
Take this about here. So this move. Tighten this. Do I line up with the hole or do I need to push more?
The top one.
What I should do, since this is already loosely put, is we actually have the wrong washers on the bottom grommet pieces. When you're installing this and when you're making those little feet down there, when you have these 2, like the screw, the nut, you want to use the smaller washers that come with the kit, not the bigger ones, because the bigger ones are meant to go right here, and the smaller ones are meant to go on the bottom since the gap right here is much smaller, so you actually don't need to use the larger one. We didn't know that, now we do, so let's go change it. So, as you guys can tell, this one's much larger than this one, so the smaller one actually is meant to go down here.
And the large ones go up here?
Yep, on these 4.
No, I think
Lined
this
up?
will be quick. shaking.
Now it's no, see, it goes like straight and then it goes like that.
Oh my, so it's what? It's cross-threaded?
I don't know if it's the quality of ECS tuning or we're maybe doing something wrong, but the rivet down there is actually spinning when we put the screw in.
Here, one sec, let me give them some light. Can you guys see?
Yeah, that rivet is spinning. So we're gonna find a way to hold that and then screw it on the rest of the way. Taking off the ECS cover to get better access.
ECS.
Now, you gotta hold this stupid rib nut.
That's on there tight.
Yo, ECS tuning, if this breaks, you gotta send us a care package, cause there's no clear videos on YouTube on how to put this intake in. And if ours is the clearest and we had this many mess ups, come on now.
You could say we're at fault at quite a couple places.
Just one, Jason's fault.
Oh yeah, no, we could say we're at fault for doing that, but this? This is not our fault.
The rivet still would have been broken.
All right, I think that's good. That should. Should I hold the top one in case? Yeah, screw it. Let's just hold it. Yeah, no, this one also spins. Thank God we took off the heat shield because if you look, just pay attention to my arm. If I don't hold that, then it spins. This is that quality. This is what you guys get for how much? $400?
I think so, something like that.
That's as far as it'll go. I mean, hey, if it ain't backing out,
Bro, it's good, bro. It's good.
I don't want to torque it
Don't,
too much.
yeah, don't test it. We've been doing all of this with this not in its supposed place. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 is all tight.
Yep.
All right, cool. Let me get this little sucker lined up. Whatever. I'll loosen these in hopes that it'll do something. I'll be content with one ECS. I just want one bolt. Remember when we said 1 hour install, we're not Audi technicians. Don't know if we're just not Audi technicians or if this isn't designed for this car because this is beyond ridiculous. I can guarantee that if this is just a simple little defect from factory, 99% of you guys do not have to deal with this because I don't know how to explain this. This feels like it was out of place. This feels like it was out of place. Nothing wanted to work. And we didn't really do anything too stupid except for
Snap a bolt.
that one, but you know. But these bolts right here, we did nothing wrong with them.
If those two were in place,
Then it would be, you know, shifted over right here. And then it'll be sitting down. Wait, let me just try to get them in, actually. Okay, so I just forced that into, like, where it would be. And the other spot, if you look, it's pretty lined up. We would have it straight through there. But biggest thing, right? We torqued this down. Still has a little bit of a gap. And you come down to these. Look at the distance. Especially from this one. Because this one we actually have pushed all the way to the side. And this one's all the way leftmost. Look at the gap. So I'm going to try to at least get one bolt in right here. I genuinely do not understand what we did wrong to counter this many issues, but we'll get through it. Do you want to just get the second grommet in and just like say screw the bolts here because this is really too big?
Because if we get this grommet in, it'll be like I had it in the factory. Because I never had these two bolts in from factory. If this is all solid and it doesn't shake side to side.
Yeah, it'll be planted over there. It won't shake that much. Okay, so let's do that then.
ECS tuning, I modified your parts.
I don't know how that works, but I'm glad it does.
Let's hope it works, bro. Let's try it now. The modified grommet is in.
Yeah, we're going to try lining it up because also if you guys look at that gap. We're supposed to be where that white stuff is. We are about good half an inch over. So trying to forcefully put this in and not ask questions if we're allowed to. Except to the owner. Mr. Owner, can I force this in?
Go ahead, bro.
Thank you, buddy.
Just don't snap anything. Don't hit a Jason on us.
That sounded good. Are they both in?
You wiggling a little bit, but seems like it's in. If you want, please. That was in. Oh, well, this washer's gonna rattle. Yeah, like without it.
Which one is it? The top one?
Bottom.
Oh, the bottom one. Of course it is.
You know, I'm probably gonna have to loosen this.
You know what? Tighten it. We are on a mission to Mars here. Our bolt is digging into the rivet nut, but we want it just a little bit tighter so that this washer stops rattling. So let's hope this doesn't snap.
Okay.
All right, chill. That's gonna snap. That's snapping. That's gonna snap.
Hey!
Let's go. All right, that was literally about to snap.
So it was either that was snapping or my thumb was snapping.
This intake better never come off again. The modified grommet worked. Almost snapping this worked. Our whole assembly doesn't rattle anymore and it doesn't move that much. So I think we're just gonna leave it at that. Connect the filter, connect the MAF sensor from down there, and then that should be it. Pretty sure we broke our MAF. So there's nothing for the sensor to clip onto, but it holds itself pretty well on there. So we're just gonna plug it in and hope for the best.
I have to know.
Duct tape MAF sensor. Is that really holding on? Yeah, it's holding on.
Yeah, it's holding on.
She gonna be alright. Gotta put this damn
Rep
piece.
this company.
Aki doesn't feel like repping that no more, does he? This guy, Adam P, bro, he looks worn, torn over an intake. Look at the camera real quick, bro. Looks like he just came back from Vietnam. All it is an ECS intake, bro.
But we don't got AC in this damn garage, man.
That's like $1,000 investment cut. Oh, more duct tape. How
More duct tape, yeah. If you ever have any issues in life, nothing duct tape can fix. Cause look, it's not moving anywhere. Also, it is super hot. We're about to work on a Fiat over June and July
Yikes.
in New York. It is currently how hot?
85.
So we started GoFundMe for like an AC unit because goddamn it is hot.
Listen, enough of you guys subscribed and we got monetized. Those cents would be going towards an AC. That's all I'm saying.
True. And then every single other penny that we get goes into car parts and struggle.
Yes.
Hello? Are you? You're loosening.
Oh.
Do we need to cut this?
Yeah, you do. The only thing that fits, and it barely does.
And we still need to trim it. Yay! Where the hell did you get those scissors from?
I pulled them out of my inventory.
This is plastic. That scissor's not cutting it. Bandsaw.
Watch the finish.
They're both.
Oh my. Now for the final part, putting the filter on. Wow, that's the easiest.
That is the easiest thing that has happened so far.
ASMR.
Alright, that's full boost certified. Start this up. Damn, Aki, you finally got something to show off down here.
I can pop my hooded car shoes now.
First start with the fresh intercooler and an intake.
I feel like this is how all of our videos like end up at one point, just us sitting defeated, but finally finished.
Hey man.
It's all good. Coilovers, wheels, track alignment, yellow headlights, front mount intercooler.
Intake, diverter valve, catless downpipe. You name it, it's got it.
Oh, what are we doing next for a video, you think?
Next video for this? Maintenance.
Maintenance, right, because maintenance is very important.
Let's try it. Whatever, you'll get some low speed. Yeah, that's where it shines, honestly.
So guys, it's about a week later. A little bit of a rainy day. Hopefully the intake clip sounded good. What are your thoughts on your car now after driving it around for like a week or two?
Honestly, best mod to do on turbo cars.
So here, as you guys can see, we have the ECS Luft-Technik Intake. And how should be running?
It runs beautiful. Makes all the right noises. Helps me with my downshifts, honestly, because it's more responsive.
Yeah, do we want to also enlighten the viewers on the...
It's holding in there.
We didn't do like, you know, all the proper bolts. It's kind of missing a couple of things. Sort of, but it's there and it works. It hasn't fallen off, right?
I hope it doesn't fall off.
So overall, to conclude this video, 1 out of 10, what would you rate it?
9.5. If it fit better, it would have been a 10.
Would you recommend this to any of the other viewers?
Yes, 100%. Just take your time on the install and don't use comically large tools. That's it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more B7 content. There might be a little change happening to the B7, but that'll be in a future episode, and we'll see you next time.